Hello everyone, it's Julia Elise and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am so very excited to be bringing you guys how I edit my Instagram and create an Instagram theme without using Lightroom. So I looked into starting an Instagram theme probably about a year and a half ago, and I played with different themes. I've done the really super bold and saturated theme. I've used a preset just in the iPhone that really worked well, but finally I have found an Instagram theme that I think mimics the look of Lightroom without actually having to pay for presets or even use the Lightroom app at all. So I'm here to share all my secrets with you guys. So grab your cup of coffee or tea, get cozy, sit back, relax, and let's get into today's video. Okay, so apologies if it's a little dark in here today. We're expecting a huge snowstorm, so that is why it's a little dark today, guys. I'm sorry, but first I want to mention the 3 cameras that I take photos on. Number 1, if I'm with Bren, we will use his iPhone X 99% of the time because it takes just such awesome photos. So here are a few pictures that were taken on an iPhone X. Such a big fan. I am looking to get it, but I literally have the iPhone 6, so it doesn't take the best pictures. So when I'm not with Brennan, I will use my Canon G7X, which I love that camera. It's my vlogging camera. It's so portable, which is awesome. I'll use my filming camera that I'm filming on now, Canon T6i with a Sigma lens. I don't know the exact name of it. I'll put it in the description, along with everything I've talked about today. First and foremost, I'll show you guys my apps that I use. This is an overview of the folder, but the first thing first I go into color tone. This is the best app for mimicking a Lightroom kind of style feed. I found that these filters look the closest to what I believe Lightroom photos look like. So then I'll just import 2 photos because I normally take 2 photos that I like and then I decide at the end which one I like the best. So I imported both of these, but I did end up going with the one where I'm not looking at the camera. So I go ahead and open up that and I go into the filters in the lower left corner. And here's an overview of the filters, but I always do Vienna. I think it looks amazing and it just goes with my super white aesthetic theme. But there's a ton of filters you can go to, which I like them all, so yeah. All right, so then I'll just go ahead and export those photos to my camera roll, and then I'll go into my favorite app called PicsArt, and actually want to give a huge shout out to my friends over at PicsArt for sponsoring today's video. I'm so excited to be working with an app that I actually use to edit my Insta photos, so this was just super exciting. So thank you so much, PicsArt, for sponsoring today's video. And then I'll just go in PicsArt and I will import the photo I want to edit. And the first thing I do is zoom in and look, okay, what does this photo really need? Turn up the brightness, you know the drill, and I'll first go into the beautify, and that's where I'll kind of go fix anything that my face needs, smooth over my face. I don't like to do it too much, but yeah, I'll just go ahead and smooth over some of that. And yeah, I didn't think this photo needed too much because I wasn't looking directly at the camera, but it also can make yourself tanner, you can whiten your teeth, everything that you can imagine wanting to do to your photos, you can do in PicsArt, which is pretty cool. So yeah, I gave myself a little bit of a tan, not gonna lie, because I'm super pale. The next thing I did was I went over and did the details, and I just made my eyes a little bit more pronounced just so you could see like my lashes and my lips because they kind of just blended into the snow. So that's a really cool feature that PicsArt has, is the detail section of the app. I love that so much. All right, so next I want to show you guys some other things that they do offer that I love. I love the cute stickers, especially for Insta stories. Sometimes I don't like specific gifts that Instagram has, so I'll go ahead and make my stories on PicsArt, but there's a ton of cute options, and you can just type in aesthetic, super cute stuff, and look at how cute all of these stickers are. Like, I am so obsessed, so stinking cute. So I ended up putting the I hate you sticker on it towards the snow, but I thought that was just too negative, so I didn't end up putting on there, but how cute is that sticker that PicsArt has. I love it. So I think the stickers is a really fun option, and there's so many free options. Like, why wouldn't you add a little cute touch to your pictures? So also in PicsArt, I wanted to show you the fun little effects that they have. If you like that really vintagey look, this photo didn't really work with it because it was already kind of blurry. Thanks, Mom. But they have a bunch of different cool effects you can put on the photo, which I'm obsessed with, and I use a bunch of them all the time. If you've ever seen that vintagey kind of gritty thing that's super on trend trend, most likely that's from PicsArt. I use a huge tip that I learned is I make a test feed. So I know they have apps that do this, but I find it easier just to do it on Instagram. So this is where I test out to make sure the photo matches with my theme. And I will go ahead and play with the different settings if it doesn't work. So I just export it to there. I scroll down and I see, okay, does that look good? So generally it looks okay. I feel like it's a little bit warm for my feed, and I also feel like it's not quite as bright as some of it. I'll just put the highlights up a bit and then go ahead and see if that looks better. And it does. I think that looks a lot better. I think it goes super well with my theme. It looks really white, and I use the same preset on all my photos called Vienna, completely free in color tone, which I love. And Instagram it on my Instagram. Plug, Julia Elise YT. Please follow me. I am most active over there versus Twitter, Snapchat, or any other social media platform. Love Instagram. I think it's so fun. Well, okay, you guys, so that is it for today's video on how I edit my Instagram photos. I've wanted to do this video for so long, so when PicsArt reached out to me and wanted to sponsor today's video, I figured it was a perfect time, and they're literally already an app that I used to edit my photos, so I was just super excited about that, and I hope you guys found this video helpful, or if you found it entertaining, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below what is your favorite photo editing app. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're not already subscribed, I want to invite you at this time to subscribe. Again, this video is all about Instagram, so go ahead and follow me on Instagram and leave your Instagram handles in the comments below, and I will give you a follow and spam you with some likes and comments. I love y'all so much, and I hope you have a great day, an even better week, and I'll catch up with y'all later. Missing someone.